All right, we're at the Kashiwazaki Japan house, and we worked on the yard the past couple days. Didn't do much of a dent. Crazy how much time you can put in and make no progress. But we got our hat, and we're ready to get back to work. Pretty sure this is a girl's hat, but we'll make it work. The objective today is to pick up all the stuff in the yard, all the way down here. All this, we already loosened up a lot. I want to get into this jungle quite a bit. Go back there, into there, get this guy. Basically try and tackle everything. Get all of this off the ground. Want to take this guy down. That's where they used to actually hang rice. Old style Japanese. Before they had all these machines, they would hang rice by throwing them over all this wood. If I get rid of that, because obviously I'm not a rice farmer, and chop that tree down, I will have the entire width of my driveway. Bunch of wood stacked over there, again for the same purpose. I don't know where my property line is. It might be over there, might be just right here. Oh, I think it's these blocks actually. Okay, so this is my property line actually. Knock everything down and then clean it up little by little. So knock everything down, clean up this area, make sure it looks nice. Knock this down, clean it up, you know, and then just kind of do it like that. Or I can knock everything down and then at the very end clean everything up. I think it's more satisfying to clean up the little areas and see them coming together. Probably would feel like I'm making progress better. Let's get started. I forgot my neighbor has their window open. They can probably hear me talking like a psychopath. It's 8 a.m. or using power tools. It's 8 a.m. right now, so I can't be screaming like an idiot or using power tools. Still a lot of grass in there. We'll just spray some killer on it. Look at this big pile. This pile is massive. That's insane. All right, so we have that pile bagged up. Surprisingly, it mostly fit in those 2 bags and those sticks. I just bundled them up. I think I'm gonna focus on this guy next. I wanna make sure that I have a nice entrance coming in and I'm not running over a bunch of stuff and I can see the road, see the ground. I learned that there's dirt and rocks there where a lot of that grass is. And there's this pipe, so I almost wonder if that was still part of like the yard. And then from there to here was really the driveway. Because I can't really rake that up because it's got all the rocks, so maybe I'll get a strong leaf blower and blow all the dirt out and then put more rocks. Throw some weed killer in it. Kind of the plan. This is gonna be the hardest part. I gotta take a lunch break. I've been out here all day and haven't really eaten. It's like, it's about 11 o'clock right now, 11 in the morning. We just stopped to eat and I had some time to just think about stuff that's going on here. And I'm just kind of thinking like, continue pooling thousands of weeds and spend the next 3 days doing it? Or do I want to knock it out in one day, pull out the weed whipper and just mow everything down? Problem is at some point I'm gonna have to pull these weeds. So it's like, do I do everything now? Or do I just do the quick fix now and just kind of get everything decently okay? I don't know. All right, we got majority of it cleared up. Looking good. I just want to once I get a lawnmower and kind of go through it, I'd actually like to put like some wildflowers-ish or something like that, whatever is native to Japan. You know, nothing that grows like super tall and invasive like these guys. Here's our pile so far. Doesn't look like a lot, but you know, it's pretty packed in there. Pretty packed in these bags, and that's what was in all of that. And a lot of what was over here too. So we just did this section. This is right behind it. See, it's pretty bad. We got a lot of junk here. We'll address the junk here. It's got a lot of super tall. This is 6 feet tall right here. This is as tall as me. Although that's like 10 feet tall, those weeds over there. You know, a lot of these. And then I'll go with the Lose Your Toe 3000. Finish clearing it up and just get it generally pretty nice. So I'm actually just gonna get the weed whacker and knock a lot of this back down. I don't even know if I'll even pick it up, but just to get it down for now. And then I'm gonna start moving on to picking up this junk. I'm very curious if there's concrete or something under this, because this is insane with what they usually use to maintain the grass. Usually the Toe Ripper 3000, the weed whacker with the saw blade on the end. It's impossible to get these nooks and crannies where all these rocks are, and just kind of around this whole area. So I'm wondering if there's concrete underneath this dirt. No, it's dirt, which means somebody, I don't know how they maintained this area with all these rocks and nooks and crannies. Yo, look at that chunky bee. Let's see if I can. Oh, he's a big boy. We're not even a third of the way done. Actually, in fact, you can still see all of that. But I think we're gonna call it a day. Almost. I put a tarp in the van. This is why having a van is so nice. You can just fill it to the top. So I put a tarp in the van. We're gonna get all this brush and debris loaded. And I think the last part of our test is, like, can we go dispose of it? So I'm gonna drive the van around the property and load up all the stuff we got. I'm gonna load up all those bags, all that stuff, everything we got. See if we can find a way to dispose of it. Generally, they only take small amounts at a time, but I'm hoping since we just bought the property that they'll make an exception. Which I think I read in the local city handbook that there are exceptions for bulk trash in, you know, certain cases. So let's find out. As you can see, I pretty much almost filled the van, and there's still pile there, pile there, pile there. Right there, another one. Big pile in the front, 2 ones over there. So, still a lot, but I think for now we're just going to take this, make sure that we can actually dispose of it. Well, they're closed. All right, guys, we're just gonna call it there because they're closed. So I'm gonna go home. I'm actually gonna top the van up more with yard waste and then come back tomorrow or something. So I guess in the next video, we're gonna get a lot of the wood and kind of just trash this around the property all together and see if we can go dispose of some wood. I do know an industrial waste center that will take burnable stuff like wood. So that should be a little bit more smooth sailing. All right, guys, if you like watching properties being worked on in Japan and just different stuff happening here, then please follow, and we'll see you in the next one.